Waterfront 5-bedroom/3-bath home on 1 acre at Lake Meade. A nature lover's retreat. Fish from your private Bkyd. Enjoy the view, nature and wildlife. Beautiful brick front home on cul-del-sac. Vaulted entry west/columns and arches to FDR. Eat-in kitchen open to family room and has countertop bar, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and backsplash. Sliding glass door opens to 18x18 paver patio. First floor den/office west/French doors. Formal dining room. Second floor laundry west/deep sink. LVT down carpet up. Large first floor PBR west/ensuite that has double sinks, separate shower, jetted tub, and spacious closet. White vinyl privacy fence 2021. Water heater 2020, microwave 2021. Electric range 2022. Pier installation possible west/permit and would be great for fishing/boating. Low HOA fees of $125 a year. Playground, can park boats/campers in Bkyd. On water can have small boats west/trolling motors. The 58 bypass provides easy commute to all of what Hampton Roads has to offer. Some photos virtually staged,